Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going to go over the Nervos network. Ticker symbol is CKB. We're going to go over the information on this coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here, the Nervos network. Now, this is a coin because it runs on their own blockchain. You can find their block explorer on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. This coin is up 6.5% today. If you look on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, you can find their webpage, nervos.org. You can find a full white paper, Medium articles, their block explorer, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, GitHub, price chart, all that type of stuff is available. Now, how do you get this coin here? It is available on a central exchange called Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get the CKB coin is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search CKB, and then simply just buy this this blockchain coin. It's that easy. Cool thing is today, it was just announced 6 hours ago on Mexc Global's Twitter, that there is a trade to win 10,000 USDT bonus event going on right now with the CKB coin, and you could check that out. I believe this is a futures contest. Now, if you don't know how to do trade futures, obviously that could be very sketchy, so I don't recommend it. And you should be very careful because you could lose money a lot faster, or lose tokens, I should say, a lot faster, or coins, than you can just with regular trading, because you're kind of, you're betting if it goes up or down. I mean, which you do with coins and stocks and stuff anyways, but I mean, at a heightened scale, basically. So there's details about this, but I don't recommend trading futures. But if you just want to acquire this coin, it is available to trade on Mexc Global, and you can check out this trade to win event if you like. That just got announced 6 hours ago on Mexc's Twitter, which is at Mexc_global. Trading futures or margins or options or any of those things can be super sketchy, so just be aware that I don't recommend doing it unless you're, a supreme expert that really knows what they're doing and has been doing it for a long time. Anyways, if you want to find their document section too, you can go over to docs.nervos.org. It says, Nervos CKB is a public permissionless blockchain and the layer 1 of Nervos. CKB generates trust and extends this trust to upper layers, making Nervos a trust network. It's also the value store of Nervos network, providing public, secure, and censorship-resistant custody services for assets, identities, and other common knowledge created in the network. We will vigorously develop the developer community and aim to offer blockchain developers exciting new capabilities. So it has a section about getting started. If you're a beginner who just wants to start experimenting with CKB for the first time, there's a basic section, and that will help you get to know CKB. You can find that on their webpage. And the chain running, and there's a reference section about that as well. They also have exchange and wallet integration section on here. It says integrate section provides first-hand experience gained in integrating CKB into existing exchanges and wallets. Reference might also help you learn more about CKB's specific behavior. Then there's a section on building dApps. If you're a developer who wants to run dApps on CKB, the Labs section provides hands-on tutorials, which you can follow. Reference also contains explanations for CKB's concepts and specific blockchain behaviors. There's clarification. As dApp developers, you might need clarifications on specific parts for the first time, so the reference will be your best friend for this topic. Then we have random browsing for users who are just browsing to get a glimpse of CKB's design, or developers who want to learn one or two tips. Essays will provide sorts of articles explaining CKB related topics. References might also be of interest since it aims to describe a specific construct in CKB. So a blockchain platform for universal applications. The Nervos network is an open source public blockchain ecosystem and a collection of protocols creating the foundation for a universal internet-like public network, beyond interoperability towards universal application. Early internet applications lived on segregated networks, needing different ways to access the internet. Now, in today's decentralized world, we see this segregation in different ecosystems with poor interoperability. The Nervos network solves for this problem by offering a suite of integrated solutions that allows the developer to build universal apps. You have access to any asset, any blockchain, choose your interface, choose your crypto, and stick with it, but still access the entire space. The frustration of multiple wallets, exchanges, and seed phrases is more with Nervos. Operate dApps from any wallet or solution, so feel the power of universal apps as you navigate every one of them from your chosen solution. Nervos brings the dApp ecosystem to you and your wallet. You can code with flexibility, bring dApps from anywhere, build on Nervos, and have the ability to target any virtual machine, port your dApp across with ease, and instantly have access to the entire blockchain. And lastly, layer 2 solutions for seamless scaling. Experience scalability in action with working, powerful layer 2 scaling solutions. Watch your project scale straight away with the built-in power of these crafted solutions. So yes, this blockchain, the Nervos network, CKB, you can find listed now on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the Nervos network? Do you think this is a good investment? What do you guys think? Leave a comment down there. Thanks to everybody who's been supporting on Patreon, hitting that super thanks button, hitting the join button. I appreciate all of you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.